the 6th, 2025, and today the Constitution added this book oh my god, harus barang such basically a proper and also on the A train that of Knoxville time is 4:07 a.m. and decided to pick up a report to say thank goodness I believe that at high school that today this morning something like that at about 10 o'clock 11 o'clock ish and decided to step up because we just got up and train and I want to stay up. When I entered, I didn't nap until it got to the spot. It's still 7. And I still didn't nap. And I noticed that the cleaner entered the train where I was at. So I just got off this. So I was there and I asked and just leave where I was at. One of those cleaners entered and I noticed that he cleaned the carts and after like a minute or two he sat down. So I said, sir, work here. He said, yeah. I said, no, because I was just wondering. I wondered for enough. Is this the only cart that you clean? Cart. And he said, I clean like 2 carts. There's 2 of them that you clean. I said, no, because why you don't clean the whole train, the entire train? He said, because his job is assigned to only 2 carts. I said, no, because I explained to him, I said, I wind up dozing off over here because the part of the A train has some cameras and I'm having fun with VHS. And so I'm having fun with VHS. The train has cameras and I noticed that I said I don't like dozing off and having other beings in the train. So I try to make sure that there's no one in the cart when I doze off. I woke up one time and noticed there was a lot of beings in the train. So I'm saying, one like this, I see somebody did something example, I still say yes. That did happen. I'm gonna say yes, that happened. As long as until I'm sleeping my own walls, my apartment, I'm gonna say I was lost and doing just even though I don't think I was, but I still say. Anyway, so I told him I wound up waking up, saw some things happening in the train, got off and was looking for a cart that was empty. And I noticed that the other parts were not clean, and I found that here. I was like, he said, oh, because that he's not the only one working in the carts. And there's other employees to clean the parts, assigned to clean the parts, and that's why he just cleans. And I said, oh, all right. I was just wondering because I find it weird how he just made clean the part, and he said that there's other employees that clean the parts. He's not the only one, and I'm assuming the other employees didn't do their job. Now I don't know about today. I haven't checked. I just got up. It's nice to work there what they can work. So yeah, putting into the meetings that are responsible to make sure I did and did created things, that I know. And the trillions of dollars a week. And what I told the worker, I said, I'm not staying in New York. I said, I'm leaving. And I said, all right, nice talking to you. And I sat down and told the people the train wants to take off. We got out. Yeah, the little kids, will go back on the train, still is tired. Might still get some more sleep. And yeah, I'm not gonna get back on this one. I'll probably leave. After the next one. So yeah. I don't believe my goals were for separately. But I say it was. Again, as long as I'm not in my own private space where it's nicely secure that I know for sure that I was not drugged while napping, disrespected, drugged while napping, and clothes molested. I'm gonna say it did happen. Like, I give it a low score. No matter. Anyways, they're still not able to dye their hair. That's something I'm supposed to do. Going for this upgrade, dyeing my hair is something that is required. Go to the makeup line. I hope they line. I hope a lot of people are dying because dyeing my hair is not a possibility. We got I'm talking about 8 grade stopping. I'm trying to prevent my future success and my future, and hopefully we are done. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video one before we do that. Get nice and warm, jump back on the train, probably get me some more sleep. And yeah, they didn't call me. I don't know what I'm gonna buy them discount food today. I do have snacks. I have snacks and stuff. But I didn't do that. I should have my money and fucking stoppers of 8 billion people. Cause my new self to get delayed on cash. And I want them back. So yeah. Love me te quiero te adoro and to invade in mind, nobody can die for the next. Love creators that don't give second chances. We love that. I love that. And the Almighty, the invisible Almighty, our municipality. Which way to say less? Almighty, Almighty, love, marriage, invisible Almighty, love, marriage. without marriage or babies. Because to take care of the adults and he was saying right now also